In this video, we will learn how you can export ClientJoy CRM leads to Google Sheets, that too automatically. So here I want that whenever a new lead is added into the ClientJoy CRM software, the same lead should be instantly and automatically added to Google Sheets so that you can create a backup, or you can say create a database of all your business leads into a single spreadsheet. And this is going to save a lot of your time, as you do not have to manually export the file and then import it to Google Sheets. So let's connect this ClientJoy application and Google Sheets application and create this automation. So I have created this spreadsheet where I'm going to collect all the business leads that are coming from the ClientJoy CRM, and I'm going to do this with the help of this automation software Pabbly Connect. This is the URL pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link in my description box. Now firstly, you will have to create your free account in this software. The account creation is absolutely free, and you will also get free tasks to test this automation. I am already an existing user, that is why I am clicking on sign in and then clicking on access now, and this is how I will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now firstly, you will have to click on this blue button and provide a name to your workflow, to your automation. So enter workflow name here, just provide any random name. I am providing the name as Sync ClientJoy Leads with Google Sheets in real time. Now click on create and you will see two boxes in front of you: trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Okay, when this happens, do this. Understand with an example. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, send an email via Gmail application. According to our use case, whenever a new lead is added in ClientJoy application, add the very same lead in Google Sheets application. So basically we need to select the applications in which we are setting up an automation, and here we are setting up an automation in between the ClientJoy CRM and in between the Google Sheets. So that is why the trigger application will be ClientJoy, and the trigger event will be, of course, whenever a new lead is added in this application. Now click on connect. Click on add new connection, since we are connecting ClientJoy with the Pabbly Connect, and it will ask you the access of your account, basically the account access of ClientJoy. So here I'm going to provide the same. So I have provided the access. Click on save and you will see your ClientJoy account will be connected with the Pabbly Connect. You can see now you will have to click on this button save and send test request, and you will see it will ask you to do a test submission in the same application. Let me even show you the instructions. Waiting for the response. Once you have clicked over the save and send test request button, do a test submission or record in that application in order to capture the response here. Since the trigger event here is the new lead, that is why it is asking to create a test lead in this particular application so that the same data can be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and then further we can create our automation. So going back to ClientJoy application, and here I am going to create a dummy lead by clicking on this button. I am adding a new lead manually here. Okay, so I'm going to create a lead here manually with these dummy details. Let me show you the details one by one. Dummy user is the name of the person. This is the email address admin@pabblytudes.com. Here again I have added a dummy number. This is the organization name, Dummy Organization Private Limited. The person is actually a support specialist. This is his website. The source of this lead is actually the website only. Now moving further, the stage, basically this particular lead is in conversation with me, public. The conversion probability is 10%. How about I change it to 50%? And the deal size, well, if that particular deal is closed, I might get this particular amount. Now I have added in the owner as the Pabbly Connect. Now finally I am going to click on this button, but before that, again let me take you to the Pabbly Connect, and it is still waiting for the response, waiting for a new lead to be created. So going to click on the save, and you can see the dummy person has been created as a lead in the software. Going back to Pabbly Connect, and you can see the response is also received in the software immediately as soon as I have created the lead in that application. The presence of this data means that the ClientJoy and the Pabbly Connect software is now connected. And let me show you the details one by one. This is the name of the person which I have provided. First name, last name. This is the same email address which I have added. The dummy phone number. Here is the company name, the title, stage. Again, we have all the data. Okay. The deal size is $199 and the conversion probability is 50%. So finally, I have all the data of lead into Pabbly Connect. Now I am going to add the same lead to Google Sheets, for which I am going to search for the Google Sheet application in the Action application. In Action event, I want to add a new row first, and then I am going to add the data in this row. Now click on Connect. Click on add new connection, click on connect with Google Sheets, and here I am connecting the same spreadsheet which I have created already. Going back to Pabbly Connect, clicking on this button once again, and I will provide the access of my Gmail account in which I have created that particular spreadsheet. Now click on continue and your Google Sheet will be also connected with Pabbly Connect, and you can see it is connected. Now first thing, it is asking to select the spreadsheet. So whatever the spreadsheets are available into my Gmail account have started visible here since we are connected, and the name of my spreadsheet is actually the All Business Leads. So I'm going to search for the same and going to select the same. All Business Leads. This is the spreadsheet, and select sheet. Well, I have a single sheet here only, sheet 1. So I will be selecting the same. Well, it has selected automatically, and you can see whatever the columns I have in my spreadsheet are visible here also. Okay, name, email, phone number, and the lead status. So basically I want the name, email, phone number, and the lead status. So that is why I have created these 4 columns in my spreadsheet. In case you want more details of your lead, you can add as many as columns as you want, and the data, the column name will be reflected here. Okay, now I am going to fill these details one by one. So firstly, it is asking to provide the name, so I am going to map the name. Basically it is asking enter text or map data, so I am going to map the name from the response which I have just received from the ClientJoy CRM application. You can read it here, insert data from the previous step, and whatever the response I have received is visible in this drop down, and I am going to simply select the same. Here is the name of the person. Now it is asking for the email, so I am going to search for the email here, and this is the email address of the person. And now it is asking for the phone number. Again, search for the phone number. All right, here is the dummy phone number. Lastly, it is asking you the lead status. So I don't know exactly with which particular name we have received this status. So I'll have to first find it. Where is the status? Alright, basically it is the stage. So stage is actually in conversation. So I am going to search for the stage here. Okay, again click on this field and here search for the stage. Stage is in conversation, and whatever the details I have mapped here in these fields from the drop down will be replaced automatically, will be changed automatically as soon as a new lead data will arrive here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so how this automation is going to work? A new lead will be arrived in the ClientJoy, and it will be then captured by Pabbly Connect, and the same lead will be replaced here since we have mapped these fields, and finally it will be sent to the Google Sheets. Going to click on this button, save and send test request, and waiting for the response. Well, the response is also received. Let me go back to my spreadsheet, and yes, the response has been captured here in the spreadsheet. Let me correct the formatting. All right, and this is the data, basically the lead data which has automatically added to spreadsheet. I do not have to do anything manually. As soon as now onwards the lead is added here in this particular application, the same lead will be automatically added here in the Google Sheet. Let me even show you the live example of that. Here I am going to add one more lead in front of you. Okay, So I have added the lead details of the second lead and I have kept the name as second lead only. This is the email address desk@pablitudes.com. Here's the phone number, the company name, the title, here's the website. The source of this lead is actually from the social media, and here the stage is closed one. Well, this lead has already closed and the conversion probability is 100% and the size is 299. I'm going to click on save and we will see whether this particular data will be added to spreadsheet or not. Let me close it and check whether this particular lead has been added or not. Well, yes, in the close section you can see the second lead with the name of second lead. The lead has been added. Going back to my spreadsheet and check whether the same data has been added or not, and yes, the same lead has been added automatically to the spreadsheet. So this is how one can create the automation with the help of Pabbly Connect in between ClientJoy and Google Spreadsheet, and can automate the lead exporting task. And once you have created this automation inside Pabbly Connect, you can simply close Pabbly Connect, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. And in case you want to clone this setup into your account, I will attach the link of this workflow, basically the shareable link, in my description box, from where you can actually clone this workflow into your account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.